Reef Life creates architectural and sculptural dive reefs, coral reef restoration nanoscience, engineered coral cell reef structures, and nano-engineering of multiple coral marine matrix. 75% of global coral reefs are dying. Healthy reefs provide 29.8 billion economic benefits. Reef Life's best-in-class nanoscience and decades of expertise in architectural eco-construction combine to solve site-specific coral devastation. Time-release acidification, microclimate reparation structures join toxic absorption fences in our line of custom reef solutions. Engineered dive reef sculptures enhance tourism while delivering carbon mitigation, growing coral, and marine mineral species.